doing?
What are you doing, Ren?
Don't touch the mirror.
Well, don't move, Mama. Then I don't get you in the picture.
It's time for bed.
Pretty strong there, Mama. You shut that door right in your face. Did you just crash into the chair?
Where's the corduroy?
Corduroy?
Yeah. Where's corduroy?
Right here.
Corduroy?
Yeah, take it over there.
Okay.
What else? Do not stand in this chair. You're going to hurt yourself. You can stand on the floor and get books. Come on, what do you want? You want Harry the Dirty Dog?
Is he standing in the chair again?
He is. You want Grandma to come read to you?
Bus.
Alright, that's it. One more.
What's wrong?
Which one? There's a bunch over here. There's David's and Walk It in My Pocket and
They're all like circus train.
the circus train one. Alright, let's go.